Oh, look at that. Holy shit. Oh, man. I was just looking at the tower. I wasn't even looking at this giant door. Holy moly. Look at that. All right, everyone. I'm here with my good friend Damien. I made it to Strasbourg. Yeah, I can't even believe it. I'm super excited to be here. We just had some fantastic food. I was so excited to see him that I actually forgot to pull out my camera and record the moment I saw him, because he's a completely different guy. But he is showing me this the cathedral here of Strasbourg, and so far it's been a really pretty city. I think we're gonna get a chance to go inside. Yeah,
we can go inside.
Okay, all right, very good. It's funny, I'll tell you a funny story. So in Spain, they wanted €5 to visit the inside of the church.
It's free.
Yes. So, you know, in my mind, I think I don't even go on Sundays when it's free. Why would I pay €5? It's freaking enormous, man. But I haven't seen this color. It's kind of interesting.
It's bigger in France, and the color is the rocks we have in Alsace.
Yeah, I was gonna say this looks like a very unique color. Now, this is definitely bigger than.
It's the tallest in France.
It's the tallest in France. Yeah, because I was gonna say I don't think there isn't a church this size, this big in Paris that I saw. The biggest in France.
It's the tallest, yeah.
Unbelievable. You can see all the detail here in the front of the church. I think you got Jesus on the cross. You got what I'm assuming is Mary. And then you got all of these different, I don't honestly know exactly what they are, but all these little statues that go up to the center. But it's just so unbelievably high. It's like hurting my neck to look up at it. Unbelievable. So much detail, man. Yeah. It's beautiful.
So if you can see, you have only one tower.
Yes.
Actually, it's been planned to have two.
Yes.
But when they was building the first one, they noticed that in Strasbourg the soil is very humid. And then they stopped the construction of the second tower. Okay. In case it's going to.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Fall in.
Interesting. You know. Very good. That's why there's only one.
That's why there's only one.
So, as you guys can probably, one of the first things that's just shocking is the enormity of being inside. It's so tall and so beautiful. And one of the thing that surprised me when I first walked in was the organ. The organ. I haven't seen an organ on the side of a church like that. But not only that, it was really beautifully decorated. The color it was painted in. And I'm just curious to know the guy that plays the organ. He must be having the time of his life on that floor playing the organ. So that's one of the things that surprised me. And then I was not expecting to see the clock. I was not expecting to see this inside of a church. That's very, very unique.
Yeah, the old astrological clock.
Yes, but I want to say that's the first clock like this that I've seen inside a church since I've been in Europe. It's very interesting. So maybe as I move throughout Europe, I may see more of it, but that's definitely the first one that I've seen like this. Obviously, I've seen the clocks on the outside of the towers and things like that, but never this
inside.
Very, and not only that, but very detailed clock with the date and the time and
the signs, astrological signs.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. We're gonna have to find some time to see it when the clock is moving, because it almost looked like
still works.
What do they call those? The cuckoo clocks?
The cuckoo.
Like what was the German, right?
Yeah, the German.
Yes.
The cuckoo come out. And
well, yes, but I think that's a general term for clocks that have some animation, right? Yeah. So it looked like it did, but I think you have to be here at a certain time to see that. Should we go look at these souvenirs and buy a postcard? Or should we do it elsewhere?
Same.
It's the same? Let's take a look then. I need to get a postcard for Elise. I'm sorry, Elise. Let's see what we can find you. That's nice. Yeah, here are the cuckoo clocks I was talking about. You get a view from the inside. Geppetto. Hello.
Hello, bonjour.
Bonjour. 3?
€1.50.
Yes. Oh, this is 2. Merci.
Merci, welcome. Merci, au revoir.
Yeah, it looks like it. All right, we've arrived at Damien's. Well, it's your house, but it's also the farm.
That's the house. The farm is in the back.
Ah, okay. This is the house. We arrived at the house, but as you can see, wow! Look at the garden with the tomato. Look like tomato. So nice. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
You know bicycle, yeah?
Yeah. Of course.
Pas besoin.
Yeah, for sure, man. It's beautiful. What does the sign say, Damien? I see. I'm gonna take a picture with your cows, bro.